Congratulations! You are a programmer now. You know how to tell the computer what to do, and the computer does it. Sometimes we want other people to use our app, but most of them are not programmers. Two solutions here. We can teach them how to program, or we can make the app accept user input. So let's type user response equals input inside the parentheses of the input, double quotes, then name, colon, space. Then let's run it. Name. User response is the name of the variable. The value of this is whatever the user will type. The input allows the user to type and communicate with the computer. It makes the computer wait for the enter key to be pressed. The name is a guide for the user to type something. Even without it, the program will work, but the user doesn't have a clue on what to do. The blinking cursor tells us that we can type here. So I'm going to type my name. I'm going to press enter. We can use the user response like any other variable. So at the end, press enter, and let's print hi. Then, outside double quotes, user response. Then let's run it, and this site. Hi on site. We use input to let the user communicate with the computer. We usually use a variable to make the computer remember whatever the user typed. We will have more examples of this in future videos.